Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's time to unbox a Boxycharm by Ipsy. It is the middle of January, whatever day it is. I think it's the 16th. I've been taking a little bit of a break from social media in general, but filming for YouTube. I just needed a little bit of a break, you guys. It was a really busy Christmas season for me here in the salon, and then of course with all the, friends and family and all of the holiday things and activities, and I got a little burnt out. I got a little burnt out right at the start of 2024. So if you didn't see already, I have posted my finale for my Project Pan for 2023. And then I just kind of took a break, kind of waiting for Boxycharm to come in. So hopefully back to regularly scheduled programming. I just, like I said, needed a little bit of a rest. So I appreciate you guys bearing with me with less uploads lately. Hoping to get my, spark back. Okay, so let's dive straight into the box, and we've got our little card here, and it says, glow your soul. Is that the theme? Is there such a thing as a theme anymore? Inside, we see these are the Power Pick options for this month. So let's dive into those, starting out. Oh, I forgot to get my iPad ready. Hold on. It was almost like I had never filmed a YouTube video before. I wasn't even ready or prepared. Okay, getting my app all loaded up here on my iPad. While we wait for that to load, let's talk about the first Power Pick that I had in my box here. So I've got a little palette here from Ofra, and this is the Signature Luxe palette. Okay, so this is valued at $32, just a little compact cardboard packaging, and this is the color story. So this is like a very neutral color story here from Ofra. Like I said, valued at $32, and it says, pop the champagne because this luxurious palette of rich mochas and shimmery bronzes will make you feel like you're living your best glam life. So we've got a nice warm neutral color story here. We may as well swatch them, eh? I will be honest, you guys know I love to get an eyeshadow palette in a Boxycharm. That is not new information here on this channel. I do, however, feel like this is one of the most generic color stories that I've seen in a long time. All that to say though, oftentimes the most generic color stories are the ones we get the most use out of. So, it is what it is. Is it the most exciting? No, probably not. But is it wearable? Absolutely it is. These two shimmers are gorgeous. This is the highlight here. I do feel like this color and this color are so similar. I know this is more of an orangey copper and this is more of a bronze, but they're pretty similar on the hand. Anyways, that's the palette there. I know a few of you will message me on Instagram on like pick day when we kind of find out what we're getting in our boxes. And I know some of you were getting, instead of the eyeshadow palette, a Saturday Skin facial cleanser that I'm very interested in trying. So if you get that one, let me know in the comments down below what you thought of it, because I've been eyeing that one for a while. I probably would have taken that one over this eyeshadow palette just for the fact that it is so similar to, I have so many eyeshadow palettes in my makeup collection. So as you can imagine, I have a variety of palettes that look a lot like this. However, I do like the Ofra quality. Their shimmers are like unmatched. So, okay, my second Power Pick item is from Ren Clean Skincare, and this is their Glow Daily Vitamin C Gel Cream. This is valued at $54, and it's a full-size moisturizer. And it says, vitamin C is a must-have ingredient in every skincare regimen, even if you have sensitive skin. This award-winning, cruelty-free gel cream is designed with sensitive skin types in mind to help brighten and protect from free radicals, reduce hyperpigmentation for skin that looks plumper, brighter, and more hydrated. So I'm very excited to try this out. I've only tried a couple of things from Ren. I tried an eye cream, which I thought was fine. I tried a sunscreen, which I thought was terrible. But I like the brand. I like what they stand for. I love that they're vegan, cruelty-free. They use recycled packaging, and they have all these nice, they do these nice call outs on the side to tell you what the ingredients do, which I think is really helpful for people who I know a lot of people in my life that are not into all the beauty things that get really overwhelmed when they look at purchasing new skincare. So I love when it has something like this. I don't know if you guys can see that on the side, where it says it's got vitamin C to brighten the complexion, magnesium to nourish the skin, pteropod extract to help even skin tone. I just think that that's really helpful and I appreciate that. So I'm also excited by the idea of a vitamin C gel moisturizer. So right now the moisturizer that I'm using is the aloe one that I got in a previous Boxycharm, and I like that one fine. But I do find it a little bit heavy throughout the day for my more combo skin type. So I'm really excited to give this one a try as like my daytime moisturizer, and I just ran out of vitamin C serum. So something like this is great because you can omit your vitamin C serum and just use this as your moisturizer, vitamin C all in one step. So I love that. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand to see how it feels, because I am gonna start using this right away. A lot of times with skincare, I don't open it right away if I know that I can't try it right away, because I'm always concerned about, you know, letting things sit too long and open in my collection. So looks like this on the back of my hand, that's just left over from the swatch. But it definitely has a nice, like lightweight, that nice gel texture. It smells faintly of oranges in a really nice way. I was gonna look to see if there was actual fragrance in here or if what we're smelling is, it does say 100% natural fragrance. So I'm guessing the fragrance that's in there is like an orange extract or something like that. But it looks really nice on the hand, smells really good. I put way too much, it's like not rubbing in. So definitely a little goes a long way. Good thing my hands are so dry. So I'm really excited about that. That was a really good power pick and something, again, that I can use right away. Now let's get into my choice items. And the first one I have here I'm very excited about is the RealHer Probiotic Setting Spray. This is valued at $35. And the reason I'm so excited is because I have been out of setting spray for like 2 weeks. But I knew that this was coming. I was all set to go out to buy a new setting spray, and then it was choice day and I saw that this was an option for choice, and I was like, oh my gosh, perfect. I'm out of setting spray. Nice big bottle here. So this is a 100 ml bottle. That's really great. Again, valued at $35. I can't remember if I said that. And it says this is a makeup setting spray that doubles as skincare, powered by probiotics. It helps to support the skin's natural barrier, creating a smooth canvas and lock in your makeup even through sweat and tears. So I'm really excited to try this out. The only products that I've tried from RealHer have been, I had a powder from them that was in last year's Project Pan. I thought it was just okay. It's the only thing that I can think of off the top of my head that I've tried from them. We're gonna try this right now. Ooh. Oh, it's aggressive. It's a real aggressive sprayer. Woo! No discernible scent initially. It doesn't feel sticky as it's drying, which is nice. It says right on the packaging here, certified cruelty-free, vegan, and fragrance-free. So I'm excited to continue to use this. I'll let you guys know in a future speed reviews how I feel about it in terms of like how it makes my makeup wear and, you know, the things. But really the biggest thing that I like about a setting spray is that it tamps down that powdery look on the skin, which pretty much any setting spray will do, as long as it doesn't leave my face sticky and it doesn't have any sparkles in it. I'm pretty easy to please in terms of a setting spray. I would, however, take a nicer mister on it, but that's just nitpicking. Okay, next up I have a couple of little lip glosses here. So this is from the brand Half Caked, and this is their lip gloss duo in Mesmerize and Crystal Baller, and this is valued at $18. So we've got a couple of lip glosses here that look like this. I have never heard of this brand. It is giving like Claire's makeup, but I know that that's like a trend right now. It's very like Y2K style makeup, but it really gives me all the Claire's vibes. So let's swatch them out on the hand. Has a vaguely fruity scent, but nothing too crazy. So we have a clear shade called Crystal Baller that sort of has a pearl finish with like a blue reflect. And then we've got a light pink shade called Mesmerize that's got like a champagne kind of reflect in it. So those are the two shades right there. Really pretty. They don't feel overly sticky, question mark. It's hard to tell until you have it on your lips. I do have lipstick on right now. Should I put the pink one on over top? Just to see how it feels. I don't want to get my lip product. I hate when the lip product gets on the doe foot applicator. That really bugs me. So I'm just going to put it on my finger. And put some on. Oh, it feels nice. Not sticky. It's definitely not sticky. That feels really good. Smells good. Great. So again, I'll let you guys know in a future speed reviews what I think about that, how they layer over top of lip liner. The other big thing, the two biggest things for me with lip gloss is, does it dry my lips out, and does it do that weird like white line on the inside of my lips thing. So I'll let you guys know about that in a future speed reviews, but I think it looks really nice, feels really good. So far, so good. And then last up for my choice items, I picked something a little bit different this time. This is a cold press stem cell scalp serum. So this is valued at $86. It's a little bit more of a high priced item. And it says it's a revolutionary scalp serum that takes advantage of cutting edge plant cell culture technology to deliver some serious benefits. Infused with 2% Swiss apple stem cells, it helps to promote and extend hair's growth phase while reducing hair loss, thinning, and fallout. Plus, it soothes and hydrates the scalp to help promote the perfect environment for healthy looking hair to thrive. So how you use it is, it says once a day, massage 1 to 2 pipettes into your part and hairline, leave on and don't rinse. So this is what the packaging looks like. A really nice like glass bottle. And so if we open it, so just in case you were not clear, this is the pipette. So like 2 of those, right? So the reason that I picked this is, well, I have a really dry section of my scalp sort of right here in my part, especially in the winter time. And it's interesting because I think that's the part of my scalp that gets the most sun in the summer, and then it seems to really dry out in the winter time. And the other thing is, as I'm approaching 40, I find that my hair is thinner than it was. I don't think my hair is thinning. I don't think I'm losing my hair. I think there is a natural aging process that happens where our brows, our lashes, and our hair just gets thinner. So I thought this would be a good one to try out, especially this time of year where I am having a little bit of that dryness on the scalp. So I'm excited to give this a try. I'm going to try this out probably tomorrow. I have tomorrow off randomly. I have like a Wednesday off for no reason. So I think I will like tint and laminate my eyebrows and do a little scalp treatment. So really, really excited to try that one out, and nice to get something, again, a little bit different. I've been talking about that in the last several videos. I have been trying to pick different items or items that I know that I'm going to use up, like a setting spray. You know, I love to get moisturizers. Those are things that I can actually use up in my collection. Even the lip glosses I will use up eventually. So of these 5 new items entering my collection, the eyeshadow palette is the only one that will sort of remain in the collection. So I'm just trying to be a little bit more cognizant of that, as I've mentioned in several videos. Now let's quickly do the math and see where we landed. It seems to me this is a higher ticket box because of this $86 serum right here. So let's see. Okay, $225 is the overall value of my Boxycharm for this month. So again, great value, love that. Definitely this $86 serum driving up that overall value. But this is a really nice variety. Once again, really enjoying being able to pick out my items. I'm excited to try everything here. The gloss is feeling really nice. So if you got this one, let me know in the comments down below what you thought of it. If I can imagine that we will probably see these come into like drop shop or like flash sales, whatever. If you see these pop up, I think they're really nice glosses. $18 for 2 glosses, like that's cheaper than the drugstore for a lot of things. So really love that. And I'm really excited to try out this scalp serum, so I'll let you guys know about that. The setting spray feels great. It dried down. There's no tackiness. Perfect. I'm going to try this moisturizer out first thing tomorrow morning, and I will be doing an eye look with this eyeshadow palette probably sometime this week. So overall, I'm very happy with my box. Let me know in the comments down below what you got in your box this month. What were your power picks? What were your choice items? I always love to chat with you guys in the comments down below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye.